Alright, so big news, everyone. Big news. I just cut my son's hair. For those who don't know, I have a 45-year-old son, and I'm kidding. I just shaved his head. He's been contemplating on shaving his head for a while now, and it's finally been done. So, Stevie, my son's name is Steven. I've talked about him. He's been in videos in the past. Come over here. There he is. Look at him. Freshly shaven head. Yeah, look at that. Freshly shaven head. Fortunately, he's got my looks, and no. But
yeah, I love it though. It's
look at that.
Definitely a clean look, and
yeah,
you know, it's less hassle.
Also, he's competing for a physique competition, right?
Yep. So
tell everyone about that.
Yeah, so that's August 3rd. Currently going on 15 weeks out this Saturday. So, you know, it's gonna be a long road. You know, a lot of progress to be, you know, shown, and you gotta stay consistent.
Yeah, and he works for the UFC right now, right?
Yep.
At the gym. He's a fitness coach. So if you're looking for like meal plans, fitness plans, coaching, he does all that.
Yep. Stephen Gabriel Fitness is my Instagram handle, so check me out and stay tuned for the progress.
Yep. Stephen. Like my name. Everybody misspells my name.
Yeah.
They spell Stephen M-I-K-E. I go, it's not how you spell Stephen. No, I'm kidding. Let's talk about Instagram. So I've been really having a fun time changing up my Instagram stuff. From the layout, I've been trying like the row layout and everything, and it's been working fairly well, but my team is ready to kill me. So I'm changing it up once again, and it looks all out of whack right now simply because I posted one photo today, and it's thrown off my complete rows here. So you'll see where I'm going with this, but I'm trying something new, and I hope you guys enjoy it. What's going on, everybody?
Hi.
Look, internet, it's your favorite intern, Julia. I don't even look at you as an intern. I look at you as just like a cool like team member.
I appreciate it.
You know what I mean? Like, but I'm trying to give her some street cred, you know, so.
Just love.
Trying to throw her in some of these videos and stuff. But we're basically wrapping up today's vlog, and I want to know if you guys are enjoying this. I'm enjoying it. I just really hope you guys are, because, you know, I have a lot more to offer than just haircuts. I mean, I've got my bad jokes. I have really nothing else. That's all I have to offer, really, just some jokes. But anyway, before we go, there's something exciting I want to share with you guys that I've been working on for a very long time, and it's my new product that we're coming out with. So check this out. All right, so as I was talking about before, there's something important I want to share with you, and that is this little sucker right here. This is my new product that is going to be a grooming clay, and I've been working very hard on this. There's a really big meaning behind this, and it's inspired by entrepreneurship, meaning like it gets the job done, it's efficient, it's got great quality, and it's all about the hustle and the passion and the drive of what goes into being an entrepreneur. And that is what is this little baby right here. And now, funny thing is, and a cool thing about the fragrance. So as you know, I've been testing out the fragrances, trying to figure out which is the best one, and we've nailed down the fragrance. And my team actually went on the streets and did some like polling and asked people what they thought. And the one that we're going with was the unanimous decision. So I want Julia to kind of share her side of the story of what she saw with everybody. All right, Julia, so you went on the street and you were asking people about the fragrances, all three fragrances. And, you know, I had my favorite, I did have my favorite, but everyone felt it was a little too much. Mm-hmm. Yeah?
Yeah.
So what was the feedback for the one that we're going with?
Okay, so the one that we were going with is very like clean. Like everyone likes a clean scent. Everyone likes a clean scent demand. Very like chilled, nice. But like it's still like, okay, they smell good. So that was this scent that we found, and we went around and we asked a bunch of people on the street. We're like, okay, like what do you guys think about these three scents? And yeah, the one that Steven liked, that one people were kind of for, but they're like, this is very powerful. But this one, it's just a clean scent, very simple, but it still gets the point across, like, I smell good, and like, I know I look good today. And it has your whole idea behind it, like entrepreneurship, because we're doing a little something different with the brand, with this like new product, as Carly was saying. So
yeah,
we're here for it.
Yeah, and I really give them a lot of credit for going out in the streets. A couple of people that tried throwing rocks at you, that wasn't right.
No.
Soda cans, that was not cool. I'm kidding, nobody did that. But yeah, I just want to share that with you guys. I hope you're enjoying these vlogs. Let us know what you think, if you want to keep them coming. And that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.
Bye guys.